Hello everyone, so today I'm going to quickly show you how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. And for this, first go to Google and search here for Bitnami and press enter, and then click on the first results. If you are not able to find this, you can also find the direct link to this website in the description. Then click on this link and this website will open, and from here go to applications and go to WordPress, and from here select Windows. So depending on your operating system, if it is Windows, Mac or Linux, you can download the correct setup file. So for example, I'm using Windows, so I will download this file. Just simply click on this and then scroll down and click on this option. No thanks, just take me to the download. And the download will start, and fortunately I have already downloaded this file for this tutorial, so I will just run the setup directly from there. So this is how the setup installing process is. Just simply install it. Okay, so first select your language, and then from here click on next, and then take both this option and then click on next. Select where you want to install it, so I will just keep it on default and then click on next, and here put your name here like best, and then put your email address here. And then this will be your username, then password, and then click on next. Then again you can set your blog name here and then click on next, and just leave this option right now and then click on next, and then click again, finish the setup and click on next. So now the installing process will begin, and this will take a few minutes. Okay, so when you see this prompt, take this public network option and then click on allow access. This is to allow the Bitnami application to access internet from Windows Firewall. Okay, again just allow this access. Okay, so once the setup is complete, installing process is complete, just take this option and click on finish. So this will launch a new browser, and it will open in your default browser, and then you will just click on this option. I would suggest you to open it in a new tab, and here you can access the phpMyAdmin. So this is our WordPress, and you can see the installation is complete, and this is how simple it is. Now I will show you how you can log into the admin dashboard. Simply type in /login, and here the password and username you selected at the time of installing. Okay, sorry, I forgot what I selected. I think yeah, this was the username password. So that's it, and I hope you found this tutorial useful, and to watch more tutorials similar to this, like how you can move this website from local to PC to a live server, you can watch my other tutorial. The link will be in the description and also in the cards. So that's it guys for this video, and I will see you in the next video. And sorry about the audio quality, I have a bad throat.